Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to blend audio here on Capcut. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to want to add in a audio clip. As you can see we have one right here. I'm going to add this to my video. Once I've done this, I'm actually going to add it in again just to sort of show you how we're going to blend these two clips. You can see at the moment they're currently side by side. All we need to do is select both of them, do right click and click create compound clip. You can also press Alt and G as a shortcut. Once you've done this, you can see they've been perfectly made into the same clip. If you would like to sort of change when they do or don't start, for example, you can see on this one, just by looking at the audio, we can see that it actually ends right about here. We can actually change this, bring it back to where we'd like it to be, and again, just add them together. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like